is how to create a contract template with the scope of work from within the Cobblestone system. From your contract record that you entered previously, you will scroll down to the Merge Template section. If you had not done so already, make sure that you add the scope of work, because this is what fills in Exhibit A for your contract template. You can also drag and drop a template if you don't want to create it from within the system. From the Merge Document Template section, select Merge Standard Template. Another screen will open. Use the drop-down to select your template type that you are using. The title will default with the template title. You can highlight this and you can type over it. I would suggest you put your contract ID here and possibly the familiar name of your contract. This will help you later. Now we want to select the box to make sure that we're adding the scope of work to the template. You'll save and continue. Now you're going to want to check out your document. So you select Manage, Check Out. We have some editing that is going to need to be done. From the caret, it'll drop down and you'll see your agreement there, your template. Go ahead and select that, download, and Word will open. You're going to want to enable editing. I would suggest that you turn track changes off because you don't want red lines on your document. Fill in all the missing fields that are required, such as your date and your company name, possibly your name of your school or department. We'll let this catch up. You'll want to make sure you have a contact name should there be any issues with whatever it is that you're contracting for. You're going to want to make sure that you insert the name of the authorized person that can sign the contract. For this example, we'll use VP Mullen. You can also make any changes on your scope of work here that maybe you had missed. You want to add some additional information. It's suggested that you have the Cobblestone adder. It just makes it more simpler. You select that. Select OK. You'll select Record. And this is where it'll come in handy if you have your ID. Select Contracts. So if you know your ID, you can select it here. Go ahead and enter it. Or you can also enter just the familiar name. Select Yes. And it will upload the template to the system. You can X out of Word. From here, you're going to want to upload the document. Select it from where it's saved, either saved to your desktop or possibly your C drive or your downloads. You can put version 2, version 3, whatever is more helpful for you to know which version it is. Then you're going to upload. And then finally, you're going to want to select Attach, and this attaches the template to the record. Select OK. Then you're going to want to go back to your contract details, your record details. In the left-hand side, select Return to Record Details. The last step is approving your task. So as you scroll down the page, it's where you can drag and drop files there. Under tasks, emails, workflow, and alerts, you're going to see your task. This is the last step. You need to approve your task. What this will do is actually launch your contract template now into the workflow. Select approve, say OK. You'll see the contract record update. And here you'll see that it was updated, and now you can see the next area that will be reviewing your contract template in the workflow. From here, you can X out, and this concludes how to create a contract template from within the Cobblestone system.